Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our third chapter in civics, electoral politics. Dear student, in this chapter we also discuss about different part of election system in our country. So starting with this chapter is the election report in Haryana, importance of election, feature of democratic election, political competition in democracy, Indian election system. In Indian election system, we also discuss about different kind of election in our country, different constituency, reserved constituency, voter list, nomination of candidate, educational qualification of candidate, election campaigning, polling and counting of vote. And finally, in this chapter, last part of this chapter, we also discuss about how we can call election in India is a democratic way. Means in our country, election procedure according to democratic system. So starting of this chapter is the why election. So dear student, starting of this chapter with a newspaper report. According to this newspaper report, this report is about the state assembly election in Haryana in 1987. The state had been ruled by a Congress party led government since 1982. In 1980, last election conducted in Haryana, 1982. And at this time, 1987, this is the time of election. So in between 1982 to 1987, Chaudhry Devilal was an opposition leader in Haryana. He started a movement called Nyay Yudh, Struggle for Justice. He formed a party, Lok Dal. During that time, Chaudhry Devilal also formed a new political party. Name of this political party is the Lok Dal. His party joined with other opposition party against the Congress. Many another small political parties also join his political group and make a group, opposition group against Congress party in 1987 election. In the election campaigning, he gave the promise if they will get a chance to form government, would waive loan for farmer and small businessmen. During the time of election campaigning, Devilal and his political party and alliance also give a promise to different communities, farmers, small businessmen, many another workers also, if his government come into power. So his government first task to be waive loan for farmer and small businessmen. He promised that this would be the first action of his government. The people were unhappy in the presently government. They were also attracted by Devilal promise because at this time Devilal also give a better promise for Haryana communities. So when elections were held, they vote overwhelmingly in favor of Devilal and its alliance. So after the election in 1987, when result also declared 1987 state assembly election, Lokdal and his party won 76 out of 90. Lokdal alone won 60. Congress got just 5 seats. So in this election, Lokdal get clear-cut majority against Congress party. Congress party won only 5 seats. So after the declaration of result of 1987 election, the sitting chief minister was resigned and governor invited Devi Lal to be new chief minister of Haryana. As soon as he became the chief minister, government issued loan of small farmer, agriculture labor and small businessmen because during the time of election campaigning, his political party and alliance also give to some promise to Haryana communities. If his government come into power, they waive the loan of small businessmen, small farmer, agriculture labor. So this is the first action of his government. Party ruled Haryana in next 4 years, 1987 to 1991. Haryana ruled by Lok Dal. In the next election in 1991, the Congress won the election and formed the government. In 1991 election, again, Congress also won and at this time, Lok Dal also lose the election. Again, Congress dominate and rule in Haryana next 5 years. So next is B, what do you mean by election? So dear student, what is the meaning of election? Why we need election in democracy? The election is a mechanism in which the people can choose their representative at regular interval and change them if they wish to do so. The mechanism is called election. Dear student, election is a process. In this process, people also choose their representative after regular intervals. If this representative not do good work, so people also change in next election. We also aware about what happened in Haryana. In 1987, in Haryana, Lokdal government. What happened after 4 years? Again, Congress government. So people also change their representative. If representative not do good work. So in this process, we also call to be election. Election also conducted time to time. Suppose in Haryana 1982 election, Congress government 1982 to 1987, 1987 to 1991, again 1991 to 1996. So this is a regular process of election. Why do we need election in democracy? Why we need election in democracy? In last chapter what is democracy, why democracy, we also studies about different feature of democracy. So in this feature we also discuss about two types of government, democratic and non-democratic. And in democratic government we also discuss about direct and indirect government, direct democracy, indirect democracy. So in our country, especially related to the India, India is a large country, particular in not to be possible for the people to sit together every day and take all the decisions. This student we also aware about. In India adopt a method of indirect democracy because in our country huge population, so every people not sit together and take any collective decision. So India adopt a method of representative democracy. In second way, no, nor everyone has to time and knowledge to take decision on all matters. We also aware about in our country lack of knowledge, lack of education. People have no knowledge, no desire. So people not sit together, not take any collective decision. So India adopt a method of indirect democracy, means representative democracy. So in most democracy, people rule through their representative. Many another reason also responsible for this election. Just imagine a democracy. In this democracy, election not conducted. We select our representative and we select our representative on the behalf of education, knowledge, age. So what is the criteria of knowledge, age and experience? So what is the age? As a representative, 75 years. Crowd of people also deserve for this age, 75 years. So this is not suitable for democracy. Again, take the example of education and knowledge. What is the criteria of education? Is a political thinker, is a PhD holder, and any another education. So lack of peoples also complete this kind of education and knowledge. So in democracy, we not select our representative. We elect our representative and we elect our representative according to election procedure. So election provide a mechanism by which people can choose their representative at regular intervals and change them if they wish to do so. We also change our representative in next election. So election are important in any representative democracy. So election of course play important role in any democracy. Many another's choice also to the voters in democracy. In democracy, people can choose their leader who will make law for them. Of course, in democracy, peoples also choose their representative, choose their leaders. For example, at present, we choose our representative, and this representative also form government. And this government also make different law, make different rule and regulations. We already aware about. Government also make a law against triple divorce. So this kind of law also made by government, elected leaders. They can choose who will form the government and take major decision. Dear student, we also aware about, we choose our representative, and this representative also form government, and this government also take major decision. Presently, we also aware about, presently central government also take different decisions. We also aware about, at this time we also face coronavirus. So government also declared lockdown, make different kind of policies, make some rule and regulations. So this type of rule and regulation, this kind of decisions taken by elected government in parliament, in state assembly also for any particular state. They can choose the party whose policies will guide the government and law making. This student we also aware about. In our parliament and state assembly, opposition political parties also, not all the representative, not a part of government. Some representative also play important role as per opposition political parties. During the time of lawmaking, these opposition political parties also guide the government in lawmaking process. They also play important role in the lawmaking system. If government also take any wrong decisions, so they also criticize government policies. Government, they also affected government law making system. If government not make proper law, this type of law against communities, so opposition political leaders also criticize government system, government procedure.